How to sell digital products with no money. Now, if you're watching this video, I highly suspect that it may have something to do with one of the following scenarios that I'm about to present to you. So clearly, you know that selling digital products is a very lucrative and viable business model, right? And everywhere you turn, it seems like you need some kind of money to get going, but at the same time you suspect that there's probably a way to do this without having to spend any money. And if that's the case, you, my friend, would be correct. Okay, I know a lot of times, people are maybe under the impression that in order to sell digital products, right, you have to buy somebody else's product first, right? Like as you've seen, like with the whole MRR thing, right? Master resale rights, whereby you have to purchase a course in order to be able to resell that course, or purchase some digital item, right? Whether it's a planner, a budget planner, or debt tracker, whatever the case may be, or a journal, whatever it is. When they come with those master resale rights, it often requires you to actually buy whatever that digital product is in order to resell it. Okay, and that's probably something that you don't necessarily want to do or are able to do at the moment. Okay, which is completely understandable. Times are hard, right? So there's that. Then the other thing that you might be looking at is the fact that even if you are able to get the course, right, you're probably thinking that you have to spend money on advertising, right, to promote the course in order to sell it, right? So that might be the other scenario that you might be thinking of, and you're trying to figure out how to go about doing, selling these products without having to spend money on advertising. And then the other thing that you're probably looking at is, a lot of times with these digital products, you need a place to host them if you're going to sell them, right? So a lot of those places where you host them, for example, as an example, right, there's like StanStore, which is an extremely popular one right now. They often come with, like, say, a monthly fee or some kind of fee, right, in order to host your digital product to sell. So these are all different scenarios that you might have probably come across, and you're looking for a way to get around that without having to spend any money. Okay, now I will tell you this. I will show you how, I will show you different ways that you can go about promoting these digital products without any money, right? But I will tell you that once you do start making some money, I would highly encourage you to start investing into some of these tools or into some of these things that require you to spend money, because they will catapult your business. They will make things a lot easier and help your progress, make you move a lot quicker. Okay, so first and foremost, when it comes to selling digital products, there is one of two routes that you're going to have to take, and you're going to have to decide which one you want to go with. One is going to be less of a headache than the other, right? So it's one of two things when it comes to selling digital products. You can either create your own digital product that you're going to sell, all right? If you have your own product that you're going to sell, and obviously you would get 100% of the proceeds that come from the sale of that product, right? If you create your own digital product, right? There's that. Or you don't necessarily have to create your own digital product. Like I alluded to earlier, there are products that are sold with master resale rights, so you can buy a digital product that you get to own and sometimes rebrand, right, and sell as your own, still for 100% of the proceeds of those sales. Okay, so there's that route, which of course is the, if you don't want to create your own product, that would be the next next best thing, right? And the only thing about the selling digital products with master resale rights is that you might have a hard time, like maybe finding something in the exact niche that you want to get involved with, right? So that might be something that causes a little difficulty. But then the easiest route, right, to go when it comes to like not having to deal with creating your own product and fulfilling the fulfilling the delivery of the product and doing customer service and all that, the easiest thing to do would be to get involved with a business model called affiliate marketing, which chances are you're probably familiar with it if you're watching this video. But if not, just in case, affiliate marketing is basically a simple business model in which you help other business owners or help other companies sell their products and services, and in return you get a commission, right? A percentage of the sale, which is called a commission. All right. So it's pretty straightforward, right? So your only job when it comes to affiliate marketing is to refer business, right? To drive traffic, and you will be given a unique tracking link, right? A tracking link that is unique to you, that you would use to sell the product, so much so that the company or the business owner providing the product or service, right, they know every time that a sale comes through your unique link that they should attribute it to you, and you would get the credit for it. Okay. So that's, affiliate marketing would be the easiest way to go, and right, it would be pretty much it would be the easiest way to go, because you don't have to create anything, you don't have to do any customer service, you don't have to do any delivery, any of that type stuff. All right. Now that we have gotten that out the way, right, you're gonna, made that decision, however, which way you decide you want to go. Let's get into selling, selling the digital products, how you go about selling the digital products. But before we do that, let me show you one of the best places, at least my favorite place, to go get a wide variety of digital products that you can sell, okay, as an affiliate, right? Because this will solve that problem of the limitations in the niches that are available out there of digital products that have master resale rights, right? One place I would highly recommend is a platform called ClickBank. Okay, clickbank.com. If you just go to clickbank.com, this is the page you will come to right here. Okay, and they are basically, one of the biggest biggest affiliate marketplaces of digital products. Okay. They do have certain countries that they don't cater to, that you won't be able to sign up with. So if that happens to be the case, the other place that you can check out that has a lot of digital products that you can sell with no money, by the way, it's free to sign up, you don't have to pay for anything. It is this other place called Digistore24. Okay, Digistore24. But ClickBank, that is my favorite. That's the one that I use when it comes to selling digital products as an affiliate, where I don't have to create any of this stuff, right? So if you just go to clickbank.com and go to start here, they may try to sell you some courses of how to get started and all that. If you don't have money, you don't need to pay for any of that stuff, right? Just go ahead, create your account. And once you create your account, you'll be able to get in, and you'll have like a master account. This is when you create an account, you'll be creating what they call a master account. And this is the dashboard of that master account. And then inside that master account, you will be able to create several other individual ClickBank accounts that you would go into. And when you get into that ClickBank account, this is what that specific ClickBank account, like if you want to have several accounts, here's what that's going to look like. Okay, so when you come in, this is your dashboard, right? And you'll see this is the dashboard. This is one of the little one of the accounts of a product that I am promoting, kind of like these little green and gray bars that they have every time you generate like a few sales. But anyway, when you come in here, where you want to go is come to the top right here, where it says marketplace. This is where you will have a wide variety of all the different categories of products that you can promote. Okay, a lot of people tend to think that digital products and all that type of stuff is all limited to the make money online space and selling courses that teach you how to do digital marketing, and and just all make money online related stuff, right? But if you come here, you'll see here are the different categories. They have so many different. They have like products in so many different categories, whether it's health and fitness, e-business, e-marketing, spirituality, new age and alternative beliefs, self-help, home and garden, cooking, food, wine, green products, business, and investing. And under each one of those is a different, under each one of those are, I think, subcategories or so. So, for example, like one of the, say, let's just say under self-help, for example, okay? Under self-help, you'll see here on the side, on the left-hand side right here, you'll see there's stuff for, like, these are the subcategories, right? Dating guides, eating disorders, general, relationship, marriage and relationships, motivational, transformational stuff, public speaking. All these different, when you go in there, you'll see all different kinds of stuff. So it's just a place for you to come play around, look at all the different categories, and you can pick whatever it is that you're interested in. Spirituality, if you're interested in in numerology and all types of stuff, right? Whatever it is you're interested in, there is a very good chance that there is going to be a category in here that caters to that niche that you would want to get into. Okay, so don't feel like you're only going to be limited to digital marketing related courses, right? Courses that only teach you how to do digital marketing or how to sell courses online or how to sell digital products and all that, because that's what's most popular at the moment, right? So, but there's a lot more, and the more niche and more specific you are, the more, probably the less competition you're going to have for promoting whatever it is that you choose to promote. Okay. Now, when it comes to, actually selling these digital products with no money, right? So if you've decided you're going to go the affiliate marketing route, right, and promote somebody else's product, or you've decided that you are going to create your own product, right? So the next thing is creating your own product. You can do this for free as well, right? It's just a matter of going to a place like canva.com. They have a free version, right? And you can go in there, create your own ebook, right? Let me just show you what that looks like if you have not been there before. Just so if I'm misunderstood or not heard clearly, this is the website canva.com, okay? If it's taken forever. Actually, well, see, I've got a lot of my stuff in there. But anyway, that's the website right there, okay? These are all like recent designs and different things that I've messed around with. But anyway, these are all the different, you can come in there, you can create your own ebook, right? If you have any questions as to how that is done, a quick search on the, grand old University of YouTube will show you like how to create an ebook in Canva. That's something you can go search. If I can't cover everything in this video, we're going to be sitting here for hours, okay? So you can go there, right? And as far as like hosting your, your digital product or like an ebook or whatever digital, if it's a template, whatever digital product it is that you've decided that you want to make, when it comes to hosting that product, there are some free platforms that you can host your product on, so you don't have to come up with the money for free. An example is one like Gumroad, right? So if you go to gumroad.com, maybe that should be another one that I have to visit to show you. All right, Gumroad.com is one, right? And then the only thing, and also I believe Beacons, they might have a free Beacons. They just Google it. They will have. Let me see if I can get to that as well. Beacons. If you go to beacons.ai, beacons.ai. All right, so yeah, so that's what their site looks like. I believe they do have a free plan. The thing with both the free plan and also with Gumroad as well, yes, while they might be free on the surface, they will charge you a fee, like a sales fee or some kind of fee each time your product sells, okay? Each time your product sells, but hey, it's better than nothing, right? At least you get to get going for free, all right? And then the last thing we want to cover as far as like, what could be a potential obstacle or hurdle that you've come across that, stops you from getting going selling digital products is the advertising part. Maybe you think you have to spend money on advertising. Well, when it comes to promoting your product, you don't have to spend any money at all whatsoever on advertising. So now you know how to go about getting a product as an affiliate or creating your own for free or whatever it is. Now you have your product, right? When it comes to the promotion and advertising, social media platforms are going to be your best friend, right? Those are the go-to places. There are other places online that you can promote for free, like for example on like maybe free classified ad websites and stuff like that. But if you're looking for the best traction that you're going to start seeing results sooner rather than later, you're going to have to start posting content on social media platforms, right? The likes of the best in my eyes would be something like YouTube, just because of how long each piece of content lasts as opposed to like some of the other platforms. But you're looking at places like YouTube, Instagram, right? TikTok, Pinterest, as well as Facebook as well, okay? Facebook. And here's the thing, like people think that people think that everybody that like you need to have this crazy following in order to have success. Whatever that following is, just remember everybody started from zero, okay? And even if you don't have a following, just also remember that once you start posting content, right, those platforms will show your content to to people as well who are not necessarily your followers, okay? And then in the process, some of those people watching, if your stuff resonates with them and they may decide they want to start following you, okay? So at that point, you're going to start building your following, okay? But all the content that you're going to be creating, again, you're going to have to get on camera, right, and talk about your product, promote your product, that kind of. So there's that route. If you don't want to get on camera, then you can also do a faceless marketing, right? That's another thing that's big right now, is promoting content, promoting your products online without necessarily showing your face, okay? So that's another thing that's really huge right now. But those are, all this stuff that I'm giving you, these are all, 30,000, it's like a 30,000 foot overview of everything that you can be doing, right? But keep in mind, you can sell digital products online without, you can go about selling digital products, even with no money, okay? You can do this with no money. All the promoting you're going to be doing is going to be organic, right? You're going to be looking to do or get traffic organically, okay? And the way you do that is from posting content. Now, unfortunately, I cannot go into each and every one of the platforms showing you the details and specifics of how to do all that, because like I said earlier, we would be here forever. If you want to get access to some training that will show you how to do all this stuff from scratch, from A to Z, whether it's promoting your own products or promoting other people's products as an affiliate, I would highly encourage you to check out the first link in the description below this video. It will teach you more about the opportunity that exists with digital marketing, and you will be able to get access to some training that will show you how to do all this stuff, set it up step by step, including the various social media platforms, right? And how to get going, even with the faceless stuff and all that type of stuff, okay? So if you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, put it in the comment section below. I will be sure to answer, and I will catch you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Ciao.